Hello everybody, Lionel from the attic here. Just wanted to make a quick video checking out this particular item. This particular item is Leatherman Wave Plus. As you can see from the box, yeah, pretty much one of the perks of my job is that I get tools, and this was given to me for my job, so I'm gonna have this on me at all times while I'm at work. Just glad to have gotten this, and yeah, just want to look around at the box first, and I am gonna go ahead and open it up. Pretty much got it like this, in this box, and yeah, this is my first ever Letterman, so want to go ahead and check it out, in hand. So let's go ahead and see how it is. Okay, so we got the user guide right here. Oh, got the warranty over here. Okay, we got the maintenance. Let's see what else. Okay, we got some more info just in general overall for the Letterman. So, yep, I'll put that aside. I'll definitely, read it. And cool, there it is. There it is. It is. It comes, yeah, like as mentioned, it came with the nylon sheet. So, I'm gonna have this on my, right on my belt, on my. Okay, yeah, there it is. This sheet is made in China. Okay. Okay, let me. Then what I'll do is I will check this out. Okay, yeah, decent weight on it. I do have a scale. If you're looking to see what it weighs, I could do that real quick. Just curious, nothing too crazy. But yeah, got the Wave Plus, man. So okay, 8.5 ounces. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, got the classic color, and yeah, you can go ahead and check every single tool there is. Okay. Just trying to get a feel for it in hand and everything. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be perfect for cutting, sawing, in general. Let's see here. See. Pretty sure I gotta squeeze this in order to, yep, close this. Yeah, actually, I was trying to see what's on this, but okay, this is the blade, the knife. Yep. Okay. Yeah, this one is the saw right here. This one is for if I would ever want to start messing with some, drywall and stuff. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep. This is the filer. Just fucking file down some stuff. Perfect, man. Looks great. And yeah, we got some more goodies over here. Yeah, I know this. I could use this uh for measurements. We got the centimeters and inches. Yep. And we also got the see other stuff here. Yep. The other stuff on the side. Let's see how if I could try. I could see it over there. Let's see. Yeah, U for multiple uses, bottle, cans. Yeah, that's what I know this is good for. Then we also, I could reach this over here. Yeah, that one, pretty sure it's for trying to get the bit. See if I could get it out. My grip is not the best for that. But yeah, I can switch to the other side. See what else I could grab over here. Let's see. Oh, there it is. The scissors and cutter. Trying to get it to focus a bit. If I want to try to get it closer to the camera. But yeah, it's not bad. Got the other stuff over here. If I could. Got this over here. See if I can do a little bit of adjusting on the camera for that. Got it all in place as well. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, that one is pretty sure it's for like a yep, that's the for the mini mini flathead, I'm pretty sure. And you can also, you know, switch. You could pretty much have the can't get it to focus, but yeah, you guys get the idea. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I can put this back. I'm not sure if I'll be using it too much, but yeah. Let's see, I close this up. This one is probably gonna what I'd be using the most, I'm assuming, at work. It is the when you use the flathead, and it's the Phillips, and it also similar to the opposite where you're gonna pretty much gonna flip it so you have both. But yeah, this is what I'm assuming I'm gonna be using the most. But yeah, overall, really happy with this. Glad to have gotten one of my own that I could use for when I need, something emergency. And then, got the handy dandy pliers. We got the cut. We can cut wire over here. Yeah, it's perfect. And then, just use it. Got my sheet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretty much just put that in and have it, and I am good to go. So yeah, awesome. Love seeing this. First impressions, I'm really happy. It's my first ever Leatherman. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What your opinions and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.